Okay, welcome back again to my channel. Good morning to you. This is gonna be a quick one. I'm not gonna waste much time. This is gonna be a quick one. So please, once you come across this video, like it and share it to many platforms of your choice. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Greetings to you all. Please, if you come across this live broadcast, don't hesitate to share it. Do not hesitate to share it. Also, put your comments so that I know that you are here. Get your comment out. This is to 10 a.m. Biafra time. So I believe you already know how we normally do it here. So just like the video and put your comment. Very, very important. Very, very important. So a few weeks ago, I think, a couple of weeks ago, okay, we reacted on a video of one honorable, gentle Igbo man that called out this saboteur called or is there something? This guy you're seeing here, who claimed to be a traditional ruler. How he became a traditional ruler is still a mystery to many of us. And he exposed his demand, because the man assignment or his job is actually for just attack Mass American, nothing more, nothing less. You know how they normally do it. Just go out and attack Mass American, and you are good to go. So the man is he's one that exposed the guy. Because this man had been attacking Mass American. Don't worry, I'm gonna get to his name. So let's start with that video, okay? Because I don't want to waste more time.
Otu nwata nwoke amụọ nke ochie ahụ anyị eji ọzọ ewere ụmụ ofeke jibe ọzọ ife niile si na ha jiri ọzọ na Nnewi nnake mma na bụ jiri ọzọ ezigbo ọzọ na Nnewi ndị ọzọ ndị na-eme nwata nwoke amụọ eji m ohere a akọwara ụmụ Igbo niile ife na-emenụ na ndị Igbo tụmadụ na Nnewi. O nwere otu nwata nwoke amụọ nke ochie ahụ anyị eji ọzọ ewere ụmụ ofeke jibe ọzọ ife niile si na ha jiri ọzọ na Nnewi nnake mma na bụ jiri ọzọ ezigbo ọzọ na Nnewi ndị ọzọ ugonu ndị na-eme arụ tụmadụ o nwere otu nwata nwoke nwa bụ osi igwe nke si na-ebo na-ejiri ọzọ mana m ebere mgbomụ nya nwata nwoke ebere mụhụ nya maka dazi na ife nyesi na agbụrụ aga. Nwata nwoke a na-ekwu eze ikolo ka ọ na-aza afọ eze ikolo mmụọ. Owebo na nwata nwoke a na nna ya ochie bụ Mmojegwu onye ụmụ di m na Ojukwu binyere ego. Ojukwu Ikemba Nnewi bunyere ego ka o welu degotarịa ngwa ọgụ. Ya bụ Mmojegwu wee were ego ụmụ Biafra wee jee na-egoro ụgbọ mmiri n'obodo oyiwo. Ya ka emechakwarụ nwa di a na ya a na-akpọ eze ikolo si na ejiri ọzọ wee bidokwa ebe ahụ nna ya ochie kwụsịrị wee bidokwa ebe ahụ mmụọ ji ekwu mmerụ. Anyị were asị igwe Nnewi ọgụnụ batara o ji abụ afọ ofeke echibe ya ọzọ, afọ ofeke echibe ya ọzọ. Nwata nwoke a na-akpọ Ezikolo Akamogheri ka ọ bụ Akamogheri ebe ọ na-ekwu okwu gbasara Nnamdi Kanu, ebe ọ na-ekwu okwu Nnamdi Kanu na Nnamdi Kanu kwesịrị ka akpọpụta ka a tụọ ya nga 100 and something years. Na n'ezie ife Akamogheri ofeke ya nwata nwoke nwebe osi igwe ofeke ka ọ bụ otihe ọzọ onye arụrụ ana ka ọ bụ ife ọ na-eme arụ ka ọ na-eme na Nnewi wee na-ebute Nnewi afọ ọjọọ. Ebere m onye na nna ya ochie ewu mmụọ ji ekwu onye ọrụ onye Igbo ma onye na-akpọ mmụọ ji ekwu. Mmụọ ji ekwu ahụ bụ nke ahụ Ojukwu Ikemba Nnewi bunyere ego ka o je gotarịa ngwa ọgụ ka e weluru ụzọ ụmụ Igbo obere ego ha na obodo ewejeri ya ọnwa dị ya na ka ọ bụ. So ife si na agbụrụ aga mana ana m asị ya nwata nwoke a na-akpọ Ezikolo ya ndo ife onye mere onwe ya bụrụ ọhọ kịta ka a na-eme udebe ahụ ụwa saga anya. Nnamdi Kanu a onweghị onye dụka n'ala Igbo onweghị ụlọ nwa mụ na 1987 nwa nke ahụ na-enweghị ife ọchị na-enweghị ife ọma o wesi na Nnamdi Kanu siri egono ụmụ Igbo ọ na-afenanụ ife aha akụ ebe ọ na-adụ nna ya ochie bụ mmụọ ji ekwu ka ebinyere ego na ka Ojukwu bile ego ka o je gota ngwa ọgụ o wee bubere ego na ụrụ obodo iwo gbarawala banko n'okporo ụgbọ mmiri. Nwa dị ya na-eke nchekwa bidokwa ebe ahụ nna ya ochie kwụsịrị. Asị m ife ọnụ onye metalụ ya wee isi ekwuelu onye Igbo ọbụla siri na Nnamdi Kanu siri ya onye ahụ bogonu egori ego onwe onye ya dụka Nnamdi Kanu na Igbo, onwe onye ya dụka Nnamdi Kanu na Igbo. Maka nke a ọfọ ndị aka na-egede na-agọrọ Nnamdi Kanu bụ ọfọ ogologo ndụ na ife ahụ ebu n'obi ya n'afa Chukwu Okike Abiama na ọya enwenata na ife anyị na-ekwu ụga ndị Nnewi ndị asị na ha chiri ọzọ ọha ọzọ ka unu chiri nnake mma nna bụ ka e nwere na Nnewi chiri ọzọ ndị sara ile ofeke a na-ejiwe ofeke ọzọ. Ebere m ọmụmụ Nnewi na ebe ọwụwe na igwe Nnewi ama ama dịka onye na-ekwu eziokwu onye kwesịrị ka atụkwasị obi ana Nnewi niile tụkwasịrị obi na igwe ahụ n'igwe ọha ka ọ bụ ana igwe mmemme doo ndị asị na ha na-eji ọzọ ke Nnewi anya ndị ọzọ ifere na-eme ụnụ ka ahụ ha ifere tụrụ ife n'iche ọzọ na Nnewi onye kwesịrị ka ọnụ ndị ọzọ kpọpụta ya pịa ya ịtarị onye ka ọ bụ na Nnewi mbụ ya bụ Ezikolo odo n'ọbụbụ ụfọdụ ndị isi obi kwadoro ya mana anyị ndị Igbo akwadoghị nkwutọ ọ na-ekwupụtọ Nnamdi Kanu ife okwutere ya n'isi ya amụghị na ofeke ya bịa ọzọ ya dụkwa ọzọ na Nnewi ya gazikwa elu wesị ka Chukwu Okike Abiama onye ọbụla nụrụ onunume ya tosaa ya na nna ya ochie mmụọ ji ekwu na onye lelu ụmụ Biafra na nwa dị ya na ya na-akpọ Ezikolo nwa bụ osi igwe bidokwa ebe ọ kwụsịrị maka nke a ya nya bụ Ezikolo n'ọnụ.
Okay, do you know why I started with this video? Because what we're about to do has to do with this video. Okay, So somebody made this one also. That's a moment.
Before. I want to say my video before because one night worker here onye chile nse mara kwuru n'ụzọ eziokwu mara ihe warụ na ihe wụ nsọ. Gee ntị ka ịfụ ka ịnụ the history of this efulefu a na-akpọ nze tobe ma tobe ọzọ anyị hụrụ okpuru isi ga-abịa ya ga-akọwara gị the reason why o jighị were chi nze anyị hụrụ na ya wụ ndị ọdịkọdị ya chiri ya wụ nze biko gawa ahụ ọ na-etosara ihe onyonyo ka ọ gaa viral ka pepụ ụfụ onye a obi hụrụ onye nwere na-ezu ohi onye nwere na-agba amasị agbagide mmadụ ibe ya ọjọọ sọpụta mewe onye nwere ihe hụrụ ohi dị n'ahụ ọ pụtara na-ezu ohi elena onye ahụ anya jọs na ọ bilitere zuwa ohi na ọ nọ na ohi nọ n'agbụrụ ha ana m agwa ya na ohi nọ n'agbụrụ ha ga eji agwa m okwu a this very young man nke ka abịa ya pụtara kọwaa otu nna mụtara nna mụrụ onye a si were kọsụ ọmụ ham during the Biafra war watch ihe onyonyo a bifụrụ as long as your lineage na-enwere evil or hidden mystery behind your lineage agwa enwere ike ịmụ oke ngwere enwere ike ịmụ ọchịcha agwa na-amụ agwọ ọ bụrụ na ịnwe ọchịcha this video ị ga-ahụ reason why onye a ji eme ya na o bidoro from ya nwa na o bidoro from nna mụtara nna ya yet in this 24th century efulefu dịka onye a cannot correct the wrong ọgbapụta na-asị gị no wonder ọ bụrụ onye ọbụla nwụrụ na at the age of 199 years one ancestors enwere ndị nwe ofeke n'ime mmụọ just like this very young man nna mụtara nna ya yisi na ofeke because they contributed to the pain of many children who lost their life and the Nigeria genocide. I want that this man happened to go here. I can imagine how did this thing happen? Because from the beginning, the guy, no one says, I am a that the name where he on it. Yeah, where the day time. Then, yeah, you put a head away, Maria. Or get your second. Always know the history of people you are living around. Because God are way they little like this. Only people Baba one kind character. Get at your there is a manage. Without knowing that na yavi here, no nana. Don't worry. Yeni na heni reni. When the feeling no man senite, we are senator and keep aswa. Ikuku yeku, aga huchi kokoko, and amara kosi wenora. Those are your nyonya. What should you man for?
All right, so that is the message from this our brother. Now, we must understand that this man that revealed this thing did not just wake up and say, okay, let me reveal it. No, could this is a tobacco gonna boya. What he said, or not just one. He has been saying that on how to jam as kind. Even in one of his videos, he said that the man they need to hand him over to them so they can near. I was like, now a boy of 87 is the one threatening Mass American non at age of him. Never mind, forget. So when the whole thing, when this video started, making waves on social media, he quickly responded. Although it took him time, I'm not gonna lie, he not just quickly responded. Then he said that he's going to, do something about it. Like people started talking about it. After a couple of days, going to weeks, going to a week, then he disappeared on social media. Coming back, he made a post and said this. Let's go there. He don't want to go to Bambo to add his voice. No. He decided to, of course, do what they know how to do best. Pretending that they are for you and all that. Just a moment. No. So this is the post that he made, okay, on Facebook. And he made this post on 4th of July. July 4th. So today is 7th. I supposed to have a right on this video, but it skipped my mind. I'm not going to lie to you. So let's just do what we can do to help me and expose it. So he decided to do the damage control by telling people, okay, you know what, I have done this, I have done that. Hear what he said. He said, I took some days off from social media to reconnect with the family of the family of my grandfather that ran away with the money Ojukwu gave to him during the Nigerian Biafra War. I went with the video that circulated on social media as incontrovertible proof that I am a bona fide member of the illustrious family as such. So, illustrious family as such, I should be included in the family commonwealth. Like most of you, I learned here on social media. My grandfather diverted the money given to him by Ojukwu to buy arms for Biafra to buy ships. No, I'm coming. What the man said is that Nana Giji Abala Banko on Abala Banko will go with the ships. There's a ship called, I think, a yak. Then one of them, I forgot the name, that is meant for like cruise, just to cruise around, private ship, that kind of thing. That he mentioned ship does not mean that your father is smart enough to venture into business. What this guy decided to come out with is something somebody who can just come out with without even delaying. But he first told you that he decided to go off social media for him to be able to connect to his grandfather. That's a lie. Now, after wasting those days, you came up with this junk. Insulting yourself, making it look like you're actually making sense. You don't make any sense. Everything you said here proves that you have no sense. Zero for that matter. Zero for that matter. Now, let's continue, because if you pay attention to what I'm reading, or maybe you can also read yourself, you understand why I am very, very angry with what he said here. You don't play on people's intelligence. You don't act as if you know it or when you know nothing. So he was trying to tell you that his family is so rich. So because the grandfather who had that money with him, and he tried to invest it, in sheep, not sheep business, in buying sheep. It could be renting sheep. You never can tell. But he did not, get those sheep for him to acquire wealth. No. Now let's continue. He said, so I reckoned, since shipping business is a multi-million dollars industry, as the grandson that has put our dear family in the spotlight again, my share of this wealth will be in hundreds of millions. I told you, always about the difficult, very difficult to do, and very risky. Now, this idiot is here talking about his own expected share in the Commonwealth. A money that your grandfather is being accused. Let's assume that he stole that money truly and everything is real. Would you come out, instead of you to even apologize or show self remorse, begin to brag the money, the wealth your family acquired? Your family acquired wealth from what? Illegality? Do you know that if you truly an also title holder, you don't eat anyhow, you don't act anyhow? I have monitored this guy's way, the way he behaved and all that, but you can see everything about him is just in contrary to what people actually expect from anybody who claims to be a chieftaincy holder. You are not so, as according to this our man or our brother. Your also title is actually an insult to the. Unfortunately, the heads of the family said he does not know me. That means your father, maybe if you said that, may be true, because you don't behave like an Igbo person anymore. Despite the fact I showed him the incontrovertible evidence of an Okeye forming forming I and forming I and the public that their partridge, which my grandfather that was partridge, okay, which my grandfather, the family head said to me, if there's partridge is indeed my grandfather, then it means either my father or my mother is their brother or sister. So he asked, which of their father's children gave birth to you? I told the man the question is not relevant. If we follow such logical line of reasoning, then what is rightful mine in this family what is rightful mine in this family will not with no doubt enload me. The bewildering man will ask me what line of reasoning should he then follow in ascertaining my identity. I told him the social media kinds of reasoning that is reasoning that is shallowed, pedestaled, and up pen. In the olden days, such reasoning is called Oji Onu Igboji. Oji Onu Igboji. Oji is a chronic Oji Onu Igboji is a chronicle syndrome that allow an Eflefu to build a house, marry a wife, and give birth to children with just mouths. So this is what his non-president said. What he's trying to say here that he's kind of mocking himself. He wants to mock people, that literally he's actually mocking himself. What he's trying to say is that the money that you guys claim that you have is still money. We don't have that. We are not all that rich. Where is the money? So I have asked people that he connected to the family in spiritual world, and the family couldn't even recognize anything as such. You understand that there's nothing like that. That if the grandfather has such amount of such money, where is it? We are not even like people that had money. But you forgot that if your father actually hijacked that money through, which I believe he did, because this story did not just wake up now; it had been there. But nobody know that this guy is from the family. So if truly the money is like what the people are saying is true, do you think that you have the approval of God to allow that money to excel, to reach you, and for you to be buying and buying that? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Personally, I don't think so. But because you don't have shame, you can come out and begin to defend something that you don't even need to defend. It's either you bring something tangible, meaningful to counter it, but because you already know, and this pretext that you don't know, that you are just hearing it for the first time, is a lie. You don't sound the hatred and bitterness you have about the Biafra movement, my brother, not my brother, God please. You are very, 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 very backward when it comes to the freedom. I saw some of his posts where he's talking about how people should just forget about Biafra and forget about presidency and join hands for Igbo to become president in future and not. How can you just say that? But all of you that are hoping that Nigeria will be okay, you and P2B is not. There's no much different. There's no much different. The annoying part is that most of them that are getting something from this, they know the truth, but nah, it go to politics. My contact, my contract. They're just like that. They're just like that. Just like people that are into sports, like Kano and Jejo Kocha. You think if you talk about freedom, they will accept it? No, because their football career is all about Nigeria. So changing it is, you understand? So there's so many factors that are holding the movement backward. So many factors. So many factors. Now, this man that is here claiming to be the Ozo, on the Ozo, now, is actually justifying the reason why nobody should talk about the money that his grandfather stole from the Biafrans. The question is that he has not denounced it, but he wants to mock himself by, okay, if you say that you are rich, well, where is my own share? Why am I poor? You are poor because such money cannot make you wealthy. Because if you even if your father invested the money into shipping business, anything, ship business, anything at all. No. You are not going. Instead, you even drown of the one you have before. It will dry you up. It will dry up because the money has to do with Obala. But you are here trying to confuse who I don't know, to believe that everything is okay, that you are Ikolomo, you have right to talk about Igbo culture. Somebody that's supposed to not to be in Igbo land. But what do I know? A lot is going on, So many things is not working well in that country, Nigeria. So many things. But I love the fact that the man someone courage to expose him. If that man did not mention that thing, let's assume somebody else, maybe tweet about it or talk about it, it may not look so convincing. But as long as this elderly man, who I believe knows the community that this guy come from, could just come out and expose this here, expose him with everything, because somebody that has conscience in fact, we never ever want to talk about, to even have a delay. But this one, anything goes, everything goes. Let me go to Benjamin. Say, what did you say here, Benjamin? Said, good morning, Mr. Kai Report and all the USB people. Thank you so much. This is Esther. Yeah, Esther. Esther said, you are doing amazingly well, Mazi. Thanks so very much, and remain blessed. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And you also remain blessed. Remain blessed. Bullion, so what did you say? Bullion said, a snake will always born a snake, of course. Tobe is doing as his father, chicken, the check, well, father of Udele. He can't go, those ones, people that know them, they're not finding it worthy to let people know. Greeting to you, Mazakai Report. Much love. Thank you so much, Triple M. Good morning to you. Testimony said, greetings from here, Mazakai. Greetings to you. Triple M is actually busy on comment section. Thank you. I am a citizen of United States of Biafra. There were. So this man called Tobe, Tobe what? Excuse me. I've forgotten his name. He called himself, okay, Nzetobe Osigwe. Nzetobe Osigwe or Sigwe, I don't know what you mean by that. One thing you have not, let your followers know is that you did not open your mouth and say that Ojukwu did not give money. Instead, you are trying to, I don't want to say you are trying to play smart, because you are not smart at all. What you are trying to do is to deceive your followers. Why don't you just open your mouth and swear? You can't do that, can you? No, it's not possible. It's a haram anyway. But when it comes to Mazamakan and Biafra freedom, Tobe is everywhere, granted interview. What is his job? Have you asked yourself that question? What exactly is this man's work? Only after just all he do is just to wear aka, blue red. Now, Georgia. Today, Mazamakan is being attacked by everybody, both potential enemies and the real enemies, and everybody. Everybody is now, not everybody though, but most of the people that we expected to, that they should, I mean, these people are supposed to behave well. It is normal. It is very, very much expected. But they are all busy calling Mazamakan out, attacking him, insulting him. Then you ask yourself, what is their intention? What exactly do they even want? What do they want? Attacking Mazamakan non-stop, non-stop, non-stop. Why? When you talk, they say that you're insulting. And one thing about Igbo people is this. Once somebody have issue with you, the person expects every other person to be your enemy. If you refuse, they will start thinking that you also the enemy. It is very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. Anyway, all the enemy of Biafra will continue to fall Yakata. I'll be my brother, Triple M. Then Chibuzo say Chibuzo Ezudo. Good morning, Mazakai. Good morning to you, Chibuzo. Chibuzo says in the building. She said, good morning, Mazakai. Report. They won't wife. GC Kenolo. Thank you so much. That's the kind of you. So, what do you think that will be going on in the minds of this Tobe? Do you think he feel that like he's not proud of himself? No, I don't think so. Yesterday I talked about the level of the mindset of Igbo Sabo. I talked about. I decided to talk about it yesterday somehow. This Sabo that will come from Igbo land is not your regular Sabo, no. And if you are not even a Sabo, your mind is pure. They can convince you, like, if you're not a man that has your own mindset, to rubbish you will be very, 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 very easy. Very, very easy. Anyway, I'm gonna end it here. Okay, to come back later, because I told you I'm gonna just a quick one. Because I've been waiting for him to respond, to react on that accusation against his father, against his family. But the response and the reaction is, I sense insult, I sense doubt, I sense someone who is actually making mockery of people that are supposed to have helped him. But you never can tell. Anything is possible. I don't want to say that people are going to react negatively on his comments, but our people are not fond of reading an article. So even if when you are reading it, they feel that it's boring and all that. But we have to do what we can do and leave the rest for God. Anybody you see that is fighting against our freedom, carefully run back, okay, carefully run a background check, okay. Run a background check. You will understand that they came from the lineage of olden days Sabo. Olden days Sabo. Yeah. Because not just quite olden days Sabo, because Sabo before now always hide their shame, no matter what. They always do that. But now, for where they will be the one to even clean, they will clean their camera lens, start recording themselves and bragging on how you can hear to me when you read this is right on. You see him. You can see how he felt bad, and that bad is what. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I don't want to continue. Let's end it here. But all I can tell you is that don't trust these people. Many of them that are consulting Masam today, or Koseba, they all have a target. They all have one thing. One goal. That's why the current Sabona and that our brother talked about, mentioning about Osabo. Osabo can wear masks, hide their identity. Nah, no. They will be the one to on the camera, the current Sabona, and they are very proud of it. Very, very proud of it. In fact, we get that bad than as it used to be. That is what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, bad. A boy of his age, 1987, or a man though, you understand? But why I call him a boy is to compare the history that they want to teach the entire Igbo nation. You can see the mindset. You can see that this person is not actually he's not man enough. He's not man enough. He actually believes that wearing red cap and means that you are non you are non the leader of this and that. No. It's not possible. How can it be possible? I'm asking you, how can it be possible? How can it be possible? The insult is too much. If the Uchechi can, because I made a video in my main platform. Uchechi is busy crying out. What you don't know, they said, is bigger than you. So, my people, thank you so much for your time this morning. This is just, we're going to end it in 37 minutes to 38. Okay, we're going to end it now. God bless all of you. Some of you will be like, why so short? I'm trying not to be a burden to anybody. Okay, that's something I said last night while streaming live. You see, some of us, this is different from what reason why I'm what I'm here for. Okay, it's not part of what this topic is all about. I just want to chip in something for the sake of our people that cares to know. The attitude of some of our people here on social media is discouraging. It is discouraging. I understand that we all need freedom. And the reason why I channel my energy to talk about freedom, about our people, is because I understand that. Should I go? Anyway, it is irritating. I'm trying to choose my word. It is irritating. It is not discouraging. USB government are struggling, not because of any other thing, because our people that are supposed to do something with it, but they're shying away from it. I'm not saying they are struggling like they are falling, please, because I know the DOS people will say, oh, it's the kind of person they are struggling. They are struggling based on your sabotage. Your sabotage by dividing, the attention of our people, is is not helping issues at all. It's not helping. But come record son, that is the final bus stop. That is the final bus stop. Oh, you went to or Karawan near. Wow, you will put a message that we about say anybody. Okay, no, another one said 21st century Sabo has graduated. That is why you see them being proud of what they are doing. Maybe I don't know. Kai, you seem don't understand me. The first century Sabo from the lineage of the olden days Sabo, and the reason is because Biafra lost the war, thereby giving Sabos the upper hands. I understand what you're saying. Okay, because I said that that the current Sabo now is they have modernized. Old Sabo will not like anybody to talk about them in public. But the current Sabo, if you're talking about them, they will even ask you to put the link. Put the link. Even if you say you cannot talk, they will go to the platform and tell you that they are proud of it. Look at what Tobe put out there. Tobe is telling you, he's telling you that how do you say it? Okay, that he went off social media. He is not active on social media for some days. Why? Because he wants to connect or communicate with his ancestors to ask them, is it true that you stole so amount of money? And he does say that like do I put it? But that's what he's actually trying to tell you. But as he's trying to ask and verify all these things, it happened that his grandfather told him that he don't even know you. You know, all this story is just to tell you that we did not you saying that my grandfather stole money from you. That my problem is not that he stole your money, but I have not gotten my benefit from the money. You see what I'm talking about? But in olden days, this kind of allegation comes, the person will always be doing everything to clear the family's name. But when you kind of work that no, able solution, people okay get a douche. You understand what I'm saying? That's why I said that. Not that I don't agree. I do agree with you, but this one also need to be. You need to also pay attention to that. Anyway, thank you so much once again. God bless you and take care of yourself. See you again, my brother. Triple M. Day one.